camping.
Yeah, we're going camping.
And it's wet.
Yes, it is.
It may not be raining right this minute, but it rained a lot last night. Stormed, and the fields and yards are flooded. We just saw a couple kids wakeboarding in their front yard.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
But anyways, we wanted to let you know where we're headed to.
Headed to Delaware State Park.
And we kind of curious to see what the campground looks like, because we've been seeing on Facebook that it's not in the best of shape. We don't know if it's the wet spring we've had, or what it might be.
I'm guessing it's the wet spring.
Yeah. We haven't been there in a while, so we really don't know what kind of shape it's in.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're going to check it out.
Well, we made it.
We're all set up.
Yep.
And we beat the rain.
We did.
Well, actually, I think we're going to be clear tonight. It doesn't appear.
I don't know.
Bite my tongue.
Yeah.
I think it's all around us, so I think we missed it.
Yeah, I think so. Hopefully.
We're all set up, and we're in site 176. 176?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. Yeah, we're at 176. Well, he said.
Trust me.
And it's a nice site. Corey will have to show you around.
Yeah, definitely.
But right now, I'm just getting dinner started.
Let's see what you're cooking here. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Yep.
The Blackstone.
Yep. We don't always eat this healthy, though. But tonight, this sounded good. We're going to have some Brussels sprouts and some brats for dinner.
Yep.
So I'm going to get this going. You want to show them our site?
Yeah, I'll show it
Pretty
to 'em.
good. We're just, just kind of picked one without knowing much.
Looks like the whole campground's had new asphalt put down, or it's been resealed. It's through the whole of the streets, all the pads. Did a real nice job with it. The sites here are pretty big. You got a lot of vegetation between you and the person next to you. We like that.
What are you doing?
There's Zoe. You having fun, Zoe?
Are you sunning yourself? You're being a good girl.
Well, I don't have a lot of shade here too. The shaded camp spots. Ours is not shaded, but a lot of them are. So we'll take you around later and show you the rest of the campground.
it's a good morning. We already had our breakfast.
Yep.
And now we're gonna just head off and check out the surrounding area, the campground.
Explore some.
Yeah, see what's up.
So come on with us.
Yeah, let's go. As we were driving through town last night on the way to the campground, we saw a sign for an arts festival in Delaware. So we're gonna check it out. It sounds like they got some entertainment booths, stuff like that. We'll see.
There's some bagpipers playing.
Yeah, they were part of the parade, which we missed.
Oh well.
We always miss the good stuff.
Uh-oh, there's Schmidt's sausage truck. I know where you're gonna go.
Yum.
What do you like that they have?
Everything.
They're puff balls or something?
Cream puffs.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I just like it because I like German food.
Nancy's Pub.
This is something like I want to put on the wall. Hi. This is cool.
Nice stuff.
See how funny because I'm just looking at
Everything here is made by my mother over there.
Here at an old theater. It's called Strand's Theater. It was established in 1916.
It's one of the 10 longest running movie theaters in the nation.
Yep,
pretty
still
cool.
open. Wow,
Yeah, it's
pretty
still
cool.
in production. It's still in operation.
Yep, nice.
The damn walk up to the dam.
Well, we're here at a dam. Another dam. We find them every campground we go to, it seems like.
We love our dams.
We love our dams. Well, the weather's finally nice here in Ohio.
Woohoo!
People are out with their boats, fishing. It's about time. Oh, we're getting ready to walk over the dam bridge. It's a long way down there.
Don't fall through those little holes.
So what do you think?
Well, folks, I think this concludes our dam tour.
Well, they got bald eagles here.
Maybe we'll get lucky
Some
and see
owls.
one.
Some owls.
Yeah. We heard owls last night, and I think maybe this morning too.
Yeah.
There seemed like a couple of them because they were hooting all around.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Well, now we're at the beach area. I want to kind of give you a shot of that, let you see what that looked like. Well, now we're at the marina. Checking it out.
I don't know if it's open. I don't think it looks closed.
They are closed. You can walk
no,
in.
there's somebody in there.
Oh, there's somebody in there.
But I don't think they...
There's a flood line from 2005.
Something that Delaware State Park has that no other park we've ever visited has is a tornado shelter. It was recently built and dedicated just this year, and it holds 853 people. Imagine 853 campers in that small area. I guess it's better than being killed by a tornado. We're watching a little baby squirrel up in the tree. There's a nest of them just above the camp store, and he has gotten out of it. He was just on the ground, and he ran up my leg.
It's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
But he was just in the camp store too. Oh, the other one's peeking his head out right above the light up there. There's at least 3. They're the cutest little things. We've had a great time hanging out with our new camping friends, Andrea and Dave Fitch, and their dogs, Tank and Cash, and their other dogs in the camper. I forget their name. Avery. So, yeah, we've had a great time. And they have a Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, Following the Fitches. And soon to be maybe YouTube channel. We can get our act together.
We created the channel. We need to put some videos up. Yeah.
So check out Following the Fitches, and when hopefully they get their YouTube channel up, they will let you know about that.
We're gonna have to do it now since we're on video.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we hope to get back together and camp again sometime.
Yeah, we're here at Delaware State Park, and it's just been a great weekend with perfect weather and lots of sunshine.
Yep.
Well, the time here at Delaware State Park has come to an end.
Unfortunately.
Well, of course, it's unfortunate.
We're half tempted to call in sick tomorrow, but can't do that. Alright, so let's get to it. So, Delaware State Park, before we got here, like I said at the beginning of our video, we weren't sure what we were going to find because we had heard some negative comments. But after spending the weekend here, it's really a nice campground.
Yeah, it really is. It's nice. I mean, I don't really see anything wrong with it besides it's wet, you know, and you have that at obviously every campground in Ohio right now.
Yeah, because we've had an extremely wet spring, and there are sites that are still flooded.
They're going to be for a while.
Yeah, it's going to take a while for them to dry up, and I think the area around here is low anyway, so it might be something they deal with all the time. We don't know. We've only been here a few times. It's been a long time ago. I think there are some upgrades they can make. They have paved all the roads and the sites.
Yeah, all the blacktop, pretty much through the whole campground's been replaced or sealed or
resurfaced or something. Yeah, I mean, so that's great. And they put gravel around all the pads, so you have a few like feet all the way around the pad. Trees are throwing stuff at us. So that's a nice upgrade. But I think that maybe there's some They could do some upgrading in the restrooms.
Yes, they need some work.
I mean, they're not horrible, and they're not like, you know, gross.
Right, they're just old.
Yeah, they just need some upgrades. And there's a few other places in the park that I think need some upgrades, but as far as the size of the sites, a lot of them are really huge, and a lot of them have vegetation between them. So
Yeah,
you have
they do.
more private sites.
Yeah.
They're not all like that, but there are a lot that you can choose from that are more private.
Yeah.
And
Anyway, they got a nice lake here. The dam's really nice. And
we like our dams.
yeah, damn right.
Yeah.
So anyway, but
And Delaware is real close to town,
Yeah.
and there's always fun stuff to do there and see. There's shops, there's restaurants.
if you like big, gigantic hamburgers, go to Son of Thurman. They're awesome.
We stopped in for a drink, but no hamburger this
Yeah.
time. But we got lucky and got to camp with some new camping friends. Dave and Andrea. They
Fitch.
are, Dave and Andrea Fitch. They also have an Instagram page or account
Instagram. Yeah.
following the Fitches. So if you get a chance, go over and check them out.
Yeah. They're going to start a YouTube page here soon, so
We hear.
we hear. Yeah. So,
We hope so, because I think they would be great at it,
Yeah.
and they're a fun couple, and we had a great time with their 3 dogs.
yep.
Really
sure
cool
did.
dogs. So yeah, that's, like I said, that's about all we can say. We really enjoyed it. What'd you
Also,
think?
if you have a tornado here at the campground, obviously you've seen the tornado shelter. It's crazy. But yeah, they have one here, and it's huge. It holds 800 some people, like you said. But let's hope that never happens.
Yeah, we don't want to spend a night or even a few hours with 800 and some people in a small space, but it's nice it's there, because I know they've had some weather issues in the past, so they felt the need
Exactly.
for it. So, you know, it's nice to know that there's somewhere to go.
So we'll wrap this up, and I'm sure you're tired of hearing us talk.
So yeah, make sure if you like the video, you give us a big thumbs up. It helps us out a lot.
Please subscribe.
Yes, and hit the bell so that you don't miss our next video. I'm sure there'll be one coming out real soon.
Oh yeah. Yep.
We've got a couple fun trips ahead of us, so you'll be seeing some more.
Yep, sure will. Well, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the road.
Bye.